particular video is not for everybody. Only if you're serious-minded and ready to get your 4,000 watch hour, then this particular video is for you. You also need to take note that this particular method is totally free. Yes, free. I know in the past I've actually collected money for some people to, get your 4,000 watch hour, but this method, it is totally free. You don't have to pay a single dime to me. All you just need to do is to be serious-minded and dedicated. So I posted a video sometimes ago and somebody actually made a comment in the comment section, especially like, Ineka, why don't you create a Telegram group where people will actually subscribe to each other? You understand? Whereby and the person was like, make it a paid session so people can, subscribe but then the person deleted it afterwards. But I would not be creating a sub for sub group because it's actually hot chat, especially when they are not interested. They just subscribe us. I don't really encourage sub for sub. You guys already know. If you're a fan of my channel, you know that I've actually made video about that sub for sub. But instead, I actually thought about, instead of doing sub for sub, why don't we do for watch hour? Whereby you just watch the person's video and then you don't have to subscribe if you're not interested. But then you just have to give the person watch hour. Do you guys actually understand? So that's why I actually created a WhatsApp group, not a Telegram group this time, because I know majority of people actually use WhatsApp group. So, and I know that people use Telegram group, but the number of people that actually use WhatsApp group are actually higher than those that are actually using Telegram group. That's why I had to resort to using WhatsApp group. So the way it will run, I'm actually still going to be putting rules and regulations in the group, but let me just mention a few so that you guys will know if you're willing to join it or not. Like I said, it's not for everybody, only those that are serious-minded. So I'm actually going to be the only one posting in the group, because if I open the group chat, somebody can post a video link and other people can keep on posting their video, because people will only be concerned about their own video. People will just be posting their video, which will not make it more organized. And sometimes we can lose track. We can even skip some videos in the middle. So the group is actually going to be private and locked. Any person that actually wants me to post your video will reach out to me in my DM and I'm going to post it in the group. Once I post a particular video, we will now give it time, you understand, for other people in the group to watch it. And you guys also need to take note that for me to post your video, you need to get at least a 1 hour long video. This way you can get your watch hour fast. I'm not talking about sending me videos of 3 minutes, 5 minutes. If you send me videos of 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I won't post it. So I need a video about 1 hour long. If you don't have a long form video of about 1 hour long, you can go live. Maybe after watching this particular video now, go live on your channel. Okay, so let me leave out this disclaimer. If you know that you will not be interested in watching other people's video, please do not join this particular group. This particular group, remember I said earlier, is for only serious-minded people. And it's a way to build watch hour. You don't have to subscribe. Only subscribe when you are interested. If you like African folktale and you see someone in the African folktale niche, and you're like, okay, I love to watch African folktale, you can subscribe, feel free. Because whenever the person posts a video, you will naturally watch it. But if you know that, I don't like football, and this particular video is about football, this particular niche is about football, please do not subscribe to the person's channel. We are only focusing on watch hour. Just watch it. In fact, you don't even need to be watching. Just play it, you understand? Just play the video and leave it, you understand? Just play that video, leave it, let it run. And once it's done running, the person gets the watch hour and then we move on to the next video. That's how we'll run it till we achieve something reasonable and we achieve monetization. And this method is totally free. Like I said, you don't have to pay me anything. Just get a 1 hour long video. And I'm going to be putting it as first come, first serve. So that's how I'm going to be posting the video. Like according to how you send the video to me. Like if somebody send a video to me around, let's say today, let's say like around 10 a.m. in the morning, and another person sent video to me around 10:30. I'm going to post the person that sent around 10 a.m. first before I post the person that sent around 10:30. So that's how I'm going to be doing it orderly, depending on how you send it to me, depending on how I get the particular video. So once I get that, I'm going to post it to the group. All we just need to do to be serious-minded and watch this particular video. This particular video that I'm making right now is not supposed to be too long, but I just said, let me just break it down very well, because I don't want us breaking the rules. I'm still going to post the rules, like I said, in the group. I don't want us breaking the rules. And anybody I notice that is not really actively participating is going to be removed from that particular group. Yes, and when you post your video link to me and I post it on the group and people are done watching it, you have to give feedback. Yes, because we need to see if people are actually watching your video or not. YouTube takes 2 days to update watch hour. So give feedback after 2 days of that particular video. Give feedback. Let us see the watch hour you have gotten. Let's see if people are really participating or not. Let's know what we are doing. So this particular video is for serious-minded people only, willing to get their 4,000 watch hour. If you are interested, check the link in the description. That's a description. Check the link in the comment section. It's going to be pinned for you guys. Just join. Join. I'm going to be starting today. Yeah, but maybe let's say by 6 p.m. because let's just wait for other people to join the group first. Because yeah, by 6 p.m. get your video ready. This is the time. If you don't have a 1 hour long video, get your video ready by 6 p.m. today. 6 p.m. Nigerian time, I'm going to be starting. Even if we just have like 1 person, 2 persons, 3 persons in the group, we are starting. No matter how small we are still starting up something. Yeah, so this is just to encourage you. Those of you that have already given up and say, oh, this particular watch hour thing is so hard, I am so tired. This is to encourage you right now. I'll continue the rest of the talking, the rest of the, information in the WhatsApp group. Do well to join. Thank you for watching. In case you first find my channel for the first time and you have not subscribed, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, do well to like, and do well to share. See you again in the next video. Bye, guys.